Introduction. Gingivitis is a dental condition that involves inflammation of the gums due to the accumulation of plaque, a sticky biofilm containing bacteria and food debris, which normally forms on the surface of the teeth and gums. Plaque can harden or mineralize into tartar that further irritates the gums. Gingivitis can progress to periodontitis, a condition in which there is loss of gum and supporting bone, causing teeth to loosen or fall out if untreated. Causes. The main cause of gingivitis is accumulation of dental plaque and tartar, usually due to poor oral hygiene. Other causes include dry mouth, smoking, medicines that reduce salivary flow, diseases such as diabetes, cancer, or HIV that suppress the immune system, ill-fitting dental restorations or prostheses, and hormonal changes that occur during pregnancy, puberty, and menopause. Signs and symptoms. Symptoms of gingivitis can include gums that bleed easily, even with gentle brushing or flossing, painful gums, swollen gums, smooth and shiny gums due to loss of the normal orange peel texture, red, bluish red to pale pink colored gums, receding gums with exposure of the root surfaces of the teeth, and bad oral odor. Diagnosis. Your dentist will diagnose gingivitis after reviewing your medical history and performing an oral examination. A small mirror and a probe are used while examining your gums and the rest of your oral cavity. The probe is inserted into the space between your teeth and gums. Your dentist will examine the color and shape of your gums and note any bleeding upon probing. Tooth mobility is assessed by pushing each tooth between two instrument handles. Mobility indicates loss of bone support. X-rays are obtained to visualize the amount of bone supporting the teeth. Treatment. To treat gingivitis, your dentist will recommend a thorough dental cleaning by a professional dental hygienist using ultrasonic scaling instruments. Techniques to maintain good oral hygiene are discussed, including brushing and flossing techniques, antiseptic mouthwashes, and dietary changes. Summary. Gingivitis is an inflammation of the gums that is mostly caused by the accumulation of plaque. Your dentist can offer advice and treatment to help you control gingivitis and prevent complications, including loss of